Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by unplugging the Pro Breeze fan and waiting about 10 minutes so stored charge dissipates. Safety first. Next, remove the front grille. Use the correct screwdriver and keep screws in a small dish so nothing is lost. Once the grille is off, use a soft brush and compressed air to blow loose dust from blades and housing. Work methodically from the outside in so dust doesn't resettle, and make sure you're on a towel to catch debris. Once you can access the blades, remove them if the model allows and note their orientation. This prevents imbalance when reassembling. Wash plastic blades with a soft cloth and a solution of mild soap in warm water. Rinse and dry completely. Never submerge the motor or let water reach bearings. For the motor and vents, use short compressed air bursts to dislodge stubborn dust, and then wipe surfaces with a barely damp microfiber. Make sure everything is fully dry before proceeding. You now reassemble in reverse order. Fit the blades in their original orientation, snap or screw the grille back on, and tighten fasteners just firm. Over-tightening can warp plastic. Once assembled, plug the fan in and run it on low to confirm smooth operation. Observe spin and listen for rubbing or humming. If you hear noise or notice wobble, unplug immediately and check blade seating, balance, and that screws are snug. If vibration continues, one key fix is to realign or replace the blade assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.